We're going to a different time zone, where our ancestors always sat on the throne. Yeah, and I'm talking about you and me. Our pigmentation considered greatest in royalty. So rise up, sons and daughters of a KB land. It's time to claim our riches and take back our land. So come and take this journey, and when you come back, tell your friends and family all about the mail track. Mail track, mail track, mail track, mail track, mail track. It's time to take it back to the basics, and talk about the mail track.
Hey you all, this is Ashley Chess. I am so excited about the premiere of College Kids. Welcome to my university, Chessman. And I want to introduce you to my friends. James, the smart guy. My girl Janelle, the fashionista. Zena, you know she's always in the books. My boy DJ, he's always keeping things jumping. Chantel and Tasha, always keeping it real. Those pretty boys Kel, Kanye, and Crucial. The jocks, Ronald and Daryl. Then there's the new kid on the block, Sam. And of course my new roommate and bestie, Angelica. And all the rest of my friends at Chessman University. It's College Kids coming soon to a college campus near you.
Take me by the hand, for I am lost in this strange land. I've been told by some the cause is me. Somehow I know that cannot be, because a voice inside has said that life for me can be a thing of endless possibility, and that the key to life for me in this strange land. If you could tell me,
you're a doer, you're a seer, you're a healer and a believer. You're a builder, a maker, sometimes a freer and always a leader. Learning through Umoja, growing through Nia, depending on your own self, Kuji Chagalia. Sum total of all hopes and aspirations, core unit of a strong young nation. Listen, through mental evolution, we got to find this positive solution. So check this.